Thank you for reaching out to Spruce Cove Hyundai. We're looking at the 2014 Challenger SRT 8. Got the 392 big brake kit, keyless entry, leather with the suede interior, power locks, windows, seats. It's got navigation, a couple different radio options there, heated seats, heated steering wheel, climate control settings, got sport mode down there as well, 12-volt USBs. See if I can figure it out. Able to cycle through some options here. Sunroof. It's pretty loud. Yeah, this car's in pretty mint condition. I don't see any blemishes on the paint or anything like that. It's got the parking sensors in the back. But yeah, this car's in nice shape. So yeah, there's a quick look at the 14 SRT 8. Let me know what you think.